Yes, sir.
Okay. So for upper bound, firstly I'll find here quartile, first quartile, third quartile, interquartile range, upper bound, lower bound. So normally when we have a limited data, we find the Q1 is equal to n into n plus 1 by 4 term, and Q3 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 by 4 term. Okay. So how we will get the here upper boundary and lower boundary in Excel sheet? So in Excel sheet, for getting upper boundary and lower boundary, I'll use the Excel function. In the Excel function, firstly, suppose initial income. Okay, so I'll use the data for initial income. Okay, so find the quartile of initial income. I'll press here equal to. Okay, then I'll type here QU. जैसे ही टाइप करें QUAR, ठीक है, तो quartile, the third one is quartile formula. So I'll select this one and select the range. I select whole range. Okay, then press comma. Now he wants to know which quartile you want to find here. So I want to get here first quartile. So I'll type here 1. Okay, then close the bracket and press enter. You will get here first quartile. Clear?
Sir, repeat it.
Okay, I'll repeat it. I'll press equal to QUARTILE, quartile. Okay, third formula, quartile. Okay. Press tab button, then select array. So you want to find the quartile of which variable? So we want initial income. Find the quartile of this variable. So I'll select whole data. Okay, then I'll press comma, and here we want to find Q1, first quartile. So I'll type here 1. Here explain, if you want to get the minimum value, press 0. If you want to get the first quartile, then 1. If you want to get the median, then press 2. If you want to get the third quartile, then you need to press 3. If you want to get the fourth quartile, then you need to press 4. Oh, sorry, maximum value, extreme value. Okay, then here you need to press, close the bracket and press enter. Okay, now how you can find third quartile? Sanskar sir, could you please help us? Shashank Srivastava sir.
Yes, sir. I have calculated quartile third.
Yeah, please help us. How you will get here third quartile?
Sir, first we will type is equal to, then quartile.
Okay. Quartile.
Then we'll
Very
select
good.
the formula quartile, and
Okay,
then we
it.
select the entire range of data.
Very good. I'll select entire range of the data.
Then we will press comma.
Okay.
And we will select the third quartile and type 3 for it, or we can select it by mouse also.
Okay, very good.
And then we will close the bracket and press enter.
Close the bracket and press enter. Excellent. So now here we will get here the third quartile. So anyone please help us? Preeti ma'am, could you please help us how we can find interquartile range? Preeti ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how we can find here interquartile range?
The interquartile range. We will subtract the.
Okay.
First we will write equal to.
Equal to.
Then bracket.
Okay.
Then for this column A initial income. Initial income means A1.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sorry.
In the previous slide already I was explained. when how you will get the interquartile range. Pooja ma'am, could you help us? Pooja ma'am. Mukesh sir, could you help us? How we can get IQR?
If you please allow me to explain. So,
Yeah, please.
sir, we can simply type is equal to and subtract H3 from G3. Sorry,
Yeah,
G3 from
exactly.
H3.
I was telling exactly. Thank you. Thank you very much. So for interquartile range, simply Q3 minus Q1. Q3 stand for third quartile and Q1 stand for first quartile. So I'll select here the third quartile minus first quartile and press enter. You will get here IQR. Very good. So now how we can find here upper bound? So for the upper bound, I was explained you how you will get the upper bound. So for upper bound is equal to how you will get your Q3 plus 1.5 into I Q R. This is the formula for upper bound. And Tina ma'am, could you please reply how you will get lower bound? Tina ma'am. Vandana ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Please reply how we will get lower bound.
sir, lower bound के लिए is equals to H3. H3.
H3 stand for lower bound. I'm asking lower bound, beta. Sorry,
Lower
ma'am.
bound. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then we select is equal to Q3 plus 1.5 divided by I.